living off grid just got a whole lot easier. Now this video is inspired by another YouTube channel. The name of that YouTube channel is Houseless Not Homeless. Now Martin from Houseless Not Homeless was on his canoe in the middle of a lake and he starts to make a smoothie. I'm thinking, hang on, what's all that about? Why is he making a smoothie in the middle of a lake? But more to the point, how is he making a smoothie in the middle of a lake? Where's he getting the power from? And it turns out he's got this power bank and it's made by a company called Power Oak. And apparently they sent Martin this Power Oak power pack for free just to promote their product on his channel. Then I realised, hang about, Martin's got the same amount of subscribers as me, if not a few more. I wonder if they'll send me one for free. After all, these things are a little tad over £400. So I thought I'd chance my arm. I'll send the company an email and ask them, hey, listen, I've got my own YouTube channel. How about sending me one of these as well, and I'll promote it on my channel? Much to my surprise, they only went and sent me one, didn't they? There you go. So, because it was Martin that inspired me to try and get one of these, get my grubby hands on one of these for free. And remember, I asked them, they didn't approach me. Anyway, so I'm going to unbox this, then I'm going to make a smoothie with it, hopefully. But my smoothie is going to be a little bit sweeter than our Martin's. Martin used vegetables and stuff. Ugh. I'm going to use something a little bit better than that. Right, so let's open the box and see if my blender will work using this. See what's in the box, shall we? Bring it down here a bit. Come a bit closer. Now I just want to point out, I'm not getting paid to do this, okay? This company aren't paying me. All they've done is simply send me one for free for me to do a review. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do an unbiased review. I will put a link in the description of this video where you can buy one of these on Amazon. And if you do buy one of these on Amazon, I do get a very small commission from Amazon, not from this company, okay? I just want to clear that up because last time I did a product review, I got quite a bit of stick. So let's open this up. Fingers crossed I can run my blender on it and I can show you my very special smoothie recipe. Right, so let's have a look in here, see what we actually get. It's very well packed. Look at that. Instructions, read those later. Don't care what's in there. Blimey, it is well packed as well. You can tell it's quality by the packing. It hasn't got that horrible stuff around it. Oh, look at that, it's got a handle. Oh, it's a little bag. We'll have a look at that in a minute. I'll get it out, it's so well packed. Hang on, bear with me. There we go. Just leave that there out of the way. Look at this. Quite heavy, so I don't know what the specs are. I've not had a look yet what the specifications are. I think I've got it round the wrong way. Oh look, it's got a light, it don't work. Not a good start, is it? Look at this, look at all that power. Let's turn it on. Hey, look at that, that is brilliant. So on the front we've got two 240 volt sockets, UK sockets, which is nice. A 12 volt socket, two of them, I don't know what that is, let me just have a look. 12 volt, 3 amp, DC out. So we've got two DC outlets, which I probably won't use because I'll be using that one, and 4 USB outlets as well, and a mini USB outlet. Oh, I wonder if I can charge my GoPro with that. That's interesting. Ah. Right, so let's have a look at what's on the controller here. So there you go, it's telling me it's 100% charged. It's also got input, DC out, AC out. I think I'm going to have to read the instructions. Power up. Oh, look at that. Oh, the light's on. Sorry about that. Morse code. That's Morse code, that is. SOS. And I know that because of the O-Light review. Wireless charging. Oh, I've got to see if this works. Oh, hang on. Maybe we got to turn it on. That work? Yeah, it says DC on. 4 watts, 0.8 watts. It's only charging my phone, isn't it? It's got one of those, what are they called? Wireless charging. Oh, that's what I used to charge my Ford key with. Look at that, it is actually charging my phone. That's brilliant, that's a bonus already. I don't have to plug my phone in anymore. Right, so let's see if my blender works. AC. Right, so that's on now, so that means they're on. Right, okay. Let's get this. Now you're going to love my smoothie recipe. Let me move you back there and make sure you can see what I'm doing. Okay, bring it down a little bit. So let's put that there so we can see it. Find me blender. So this is my blender. Oh, it's got suckers, I didn't even realise that. Let's plug that in. Take that off for now. Where's my cups? What have I done with them? Oh. You can see I'm well organised. Right, I'm going to kneel down for this so you can see what I'm doing. Let's see if it works first. Right, now for my very special summertime smoothie, I'm going to call this. Right, let's just grab this. These are my magic ingredients. So for this smoothie we need ice cream, we need currants, an appropriate spoon, so this is my summertime smoothie. No special. If I can open it. Yeah. Looks like the lid's broke. Oh, it don't matter. Won't last that long. Oh, nasty. So we get copious amounts of ice cream. I think I mentioned it before. I like ice cream. Right. Bit of ice cream because we like ice cream. Doesn't matter that it's melting, as long as it's cold, that's all that matters. Right, so a bit of ice cream. Some currants. Oh, I love that smell. Reminds me of when I was a kid. Don't know why. There you go. Just a little sprinkling of these. You don't want too many. Yeah, a few more. So we got vanilla ice cream, some black currants, this is the magic stuff. One Bounty bar. Both bits. Now for the magic ingredient, a little bit of dark rum, just a touch, just a splash, because it's only for the flavour, right? We don't want to get drunk, but yeah, anyway. Oh, I forgot. Hang on, there's one more thing, it's in the fridge. Have a sniff. Make sure it's alright, it's been in there a couple of days. A little bit of milk, so it makes it go all fluid. And that is it. Put it on our blender. Give it a shot. Right, see if it works. It's working. Like that, do. And that is what I call a smoothie. Cheers. Oh. That's really good. That is really good. I'm going to have to put that in the fridge for later because I need to drive yet. Hang on, one little bit more. Oh God. Absolute heaven. Right, so that's my smoothie recipe. My secret's out. Let's have a look at this. Now what's this little bag about? Before we look in that box. What's this? Oh, look at that. It's got a bag you can put it in. I won't put it in now. And a little pouch. Oh yeah, pretty cool. So not only have you got carry handles on here, it's quite heavy. You've got like a beach bag as well. You could put it in. So two of you could carry it if you're walking down on the beach. I'm guessing. So how do we charge it? This is the thing. How are we going to charge it up? So I only imagine that the leads are in here. Oh, quite an array. So that's a mains charger. By the look of it, that's your plug there. So you can charge it with 240. I'm assuming that plugs into there like that. And where does that go? Oh yeah, there you go. Input is there. I turn it on, don't I? Turn it on. Yeah, look at that. So you've got a light on the back, and I imagine that's the input to charge it on 240, which is no good to us because we're in a van. We want 12, right? So there you go, cigarette lighter. You can charge it with your cigarette lighter socket. But there's also some other wires in here. And this is the bit I like. I like this. I like this a lot. You've got MC4 connectors on this cable, so you can simply plug that into there, plug those into your solar panel. Bob's your uncle. You've got solar power. You've got capability of charging it with solar panels. So I think I'm going to have to get another solar panel for my van. Just a small one for this. What's the maximum size solar panel you can have? Should have a quick look in here. MC4 connectors, cable. Bear with me. Oh, here we go. Charge this product with solar power. Maximum panel, 40 volts, 120 watts. But there you go. I think I've got a 160 watt panel on my roof. So that's too much for this. So yeah, I reckon I've got enough room just about at the back on my roof for a smaller panel. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get another smaller panel for my roof. I'll have a measure up so that I can charge this. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. What else have we got in here? There's another lead here. Oh, that's the... Yeah, it will as well. This lead will allow me to charge my GoPro using this. And it just so happens my GoPro lead is a little bit naff. I actually need a new one. So, well done, Power Oak. That's bloody brilliant. Sorry, mustn't swear. Yeah, my GoPro plug into that. There we go. So there you are. Fantastic little bit of kit. It's going to be a real game changer for a lot of people, especially those people that aren't sure about electrics. If you're unsure, and I do get an awful lot of comments, people asking me, how do I wire up my solar panel, how do I wire up my split charge relay? Well, if you're on a bit of a, I don't say a budget, because this is 500 quid nearly, but is it worth it? I'll let you know in a couple of months. Well, I'll give it a month. So in 1 month's time, I will do a proper product review of this, just to see how we get on with it. I'm going to use it as much as I can. I've got some power tools. I've got a project coming up which is in a remote location, so I'll get plenty of opportunity to use this. I'm going to use angle grinders on it, drills and all sorts of things. See how well it holds up in a working situation. Well, I've got to say thank you Power Oak for sending me this. Like I say, I will do a proper review in 1 month's time. See how I get on with it. If I get on alright with it, then I will recommend it to you guys. I wonder if they'll send me another one that I can give away. Or maybe I'll just give this one away. Here you go. I'm going to try it for a month, and if it's any good, I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. Right, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do give me the thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. And by subscribing to my channel, you may win one of these. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now. And he starts making a smoothie in the middle of this lake. And I thought, what's all that about? Now a little while ago I stumbled upon from homeless, not houseless, or was it houseless not homeless?